Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bianca. Today I'm going to be making a farmhouse fall sign. To start it off, I'm going to be taking this Dollar Tree sign that I've been having for a while and I just need to do something with it. Since I already had it, I decided to use this instead of going and making a trip to the Dollar Tree to pick up another sign. The inspiration for this sign actually came from the Dollar General. I'm not going to make it exactly the same as far as the sign in the middle, but I do want to create that same type of look. After I removed the staples at the top, I just sanded it down a little bit, and now I'm going to take this antique parchment from Apple Barrel and paint this whole thing with one coat, let it dry for a few minutes, and then I do a second coat. Now I'm gonna take this big pack of stencils I got from Walmart, and there's a specific stencil I want to use that says give thanks. So I mixed harvest orange and nutmeg brown to give me a nice burnt orange color, and I'm going to stencil this color on with 2 coats. I've used these little Dollar Tree pumpkin stickers in quite a few projects already. I'm taking that pack out and I'm going to be using 4 of those pumpkins. There's already an orange pumpkin in that pack, so what I'm going to do is take one of the other pumpkins and paint it with my burnt orange color that I created, and then with the other 2 pumpkins I'm taking some of the white linen chalk paint and English ivory green and mixing those 2 together to create a light green orange. I do this a lot. I've been doing this a lot lately. I love mixing colors and just coming up with my own color that I like. To give these little pumpkins some dimension, I'm taking this traditional beige and creating some lines on them. Now I'm using my hot glue gun to glue them in place. To create that barn door look on each side of the sign, I'm taking these giant craft sticks and I'm going to be placing 4 on each side. I'm going to be cutting off the round ends like I normally do. I love using these craft sticks. They are awesome to use because they're so inexpensive. This is like my 3rd or 4th DIY that I used them with, and they were only about $1.67, I believe. To create that Z shape on the barn door and give it more of a farmhouse look, just like the Dollar General sign, I took more of the craft sticks and just cut them to size to create that look. To help me out, I also just used my pencil to mark off what I needed to and then cut that piece off. I'm using this classic gray stain from Minwax. I have it located in my Amazon store if you want to purchase that. They last for a really long time. I'm staining all of these crab sticks, and then I wipe the excess off with a rag. Once everything is stained, I went ahead and used my hot glue gun to glue down the Z-shaped part of the barn doors so they stay in place. Now I'm just going to glue the barn doors to the sides of the sign. With the leftover craft sticks or popsicle sticks, I added some hot glue to them and added them to the back of the barn doors for a secure hold. To create more of a farmhouse sign look and make it look a little more like the Dollar General sign that I showed y'all, I am going to be adding more craft sticks to the outside like a frame. And what I need to do, of course, is cut off the round edges of the craft sticks. And then once I do that, I'm just trying to see how they're all going to fit, make sure they're all the right size, sand them down so they fit a little better, and then I will stain them. Now I'm taking the Jacobean stain from Minwax. I use this stain a lot. I love this color. I'm using the same technique that I used earlier, just taking an old rag and wiping it on the craft or popsicle sticks and then removing the excess. Once I do that, now I'm going to figure out how I'm going to glue everything down around the sign. Now you'll see me use my hot glue gun to apply the frame, which are the crab sticks, around the sign. So you'll see these two crab sticks, which is the frame part of it, overlap a little bit because underneath it there's a gap. So I just added a little bit of hot glue as well. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this really easy Dollar Tree DIY for fall. Remember you guys, this is just an idea of what you can create. It's totally up to you to change up the stain colors if you want. Maybe you want to create a different sign in the center. You could also even do this without the frame on the edges, which is also another idea. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.